I need to do an SHIT, a super hard interval training session. The smash hit daytime TV show, Sheds Under the Hammer, is on in exactly 1 hour and 8 minutes time. There's no way I'm missing that. I mean, it's not winter, so I can't train indoors. That's against all the rules of hardness. No, it's not, Matt. You can get far more done in far less time on the turbo. Yeah, well, that's a bit soft really, isn't it? All right, I'm gonna hop on the turbo. You can go outside and HTFU, and we'll see who's back in time to watch SUTH, Sheds Under the Hammer, the second best shed-based lifestyle show on TV. All right, you're on. Same session? Yeah. 45 minutes of over-under sound all right? Make it 60. Whoever gets the highest stress score wins. Deal. Pansy. Heard that. Well, that's the warm-up done, so I'm now for my first interval. Here we go. Oh, no bottle. Oh, I'll be all right. Warm-up done. Time for my first interval. Oh, I can't go now. It's a red light. I've got to wait. Sorry. Whew. Over-unders. I'm not sure I could do this quite as well out on the road. Let's do this. What? Interval over? What? What do you mean increased power? I can't. It's another red light. I'm miles from home and Sheds Under the Hammer's just started.
Fantastic. Join us next time on Sheds Under the Hammer when I'll be joined by Owen and Lucy from Solihull, who've been trying to shift their 12x6 timber outhouse for the last 6 years.
So, how was it? Oh, Donna and Kevin from Utoxeter nearly sold their 8-foot metal security shed, but the buyer pulled out last minute. Couldn't believe it. I meant the ride. Oh, my ride. Oh, right. Well, I actually completed all the intervals and in the end got a TSS of 105. Really happy. How about yours? Don't ask.